I like the way you work it, no diggity, back it up.
That's right. So a little update. What's up, guys? It's Allan and Drea. Well, we have some exciting news. We're going to be moving. Drea didn't say anything. She's still sensitive. But
I can't see because I don't have my glasses on. And then it's going to probably be a reflection.
Right.
The blue light.
That's okay.
Bye, guys. I'm getting over a cold.
Yeah.
And I'm better.
But she doesn't have COVID.
Nope.
So, but we are going to be moving to Texas. Surprise! But we just feel like it's the time to move, like do something different. And Drea's from Texas. You saw some of those vlogs. We downgraded to a air mattress, but it works really well with
I don't love showing you guys all this mess.
Okay.
It's not the best.
Okay.
My husband wants to.
Well, here's my tree. Doing well. Just kidding. So this is our office. I think you guys have seen some of that. I sold my desk and my chair. Time to do something new. So I'm going to show you guys around. I'm a little more energetic because Drea's still not feeling well. One thing that was really good is these like vacuum seal bags. Let me show you guys some. Because we're taking only 2 cars. Took the hot tub down. With all the fires and everything, it had a lot of like orange. So I took it out, scrubbed it. Still trying to sell our washer and dryer as well as our breakfast nook. If you guys are interested in that, let us know. It's been great, but we just can't fit a lot in 2 cars. So other than that, things have been selling. It's been great. And yeah, we just feel the Lord in it. It's going to be fun. You're very cute.
Thanks, babe. I'm trying to clean a little bit as we go so we don't have to clean a ton the last day.
Right. But we just quit our jobs. Drea quit her job. I quit my job. And we're going to be heading out.
Yeah.
In a couple weeks. Are you ready?
Yep. Kind of.
Baby, how do you feel about those boxes?
Huh?
How do you feel about those boxes?
What boxes?
Boxes that we got at Costco. At
Home Depot?
Home Depot.
Oh, I like them. They're good. I'm going to throw these away.
I thought you were going to say something about how they're so costly.
Oh, the boxes weren't that much. It's everything else that costs so much.
Oh, the bubble wrap, huh?
Yep. The bubble wrap. All that stuff on the floor, basically. $70.
$70.
For 2 boxes, some bubble wrap. We didn't even buy tape.
No.
And 2 vacuum seal bags.
It's inflation for you.
That's ridiculous. I forgot I wanted to tell them about that.
So it's a couple weeks later, and we have sold a lot of stuff. Facebook Marketplace has been pretty good. But I feel like the Lord's been really blessing us. We sold our breakfast nook to our neighbors. Through a word of knowledge, huh, babe?
Yeah, that's right.
She's doing all our Instagram stuff. Sorry, our place is kind of a mess. Somebody's picking up our couch today, which is great. Our kitchen is kind of crazy. We sold our bed, everything pretty much. And we're just going to take our 2 cars. But we're having a garage sale today. So, Drea's clothes, there's some different things. And just trying to get rid of all the odds and ends. So when this video posts, we'll be probably out of here. But anyways, this is our last day in this place, Drea and I. And we're excited. You know, just kind of a faith journey. It's been stressful at some points. We're not always happy and everything's going perfect. There's
Is this how they
definitely.
do it? Sync profile info.
I think it's really great though when one of us is a little down or needs some prayer. It seems like the other one is usually uplifted and full of faith. So, and I think you would agree with that, right?
Yes, that's true.
So I just think it's amazing how it works out that way. Like just the other day I was like, oh, it's, it's terrible. No, I didn't say that, but we just need a
Yes, I
little
did.
uplifting in prayer sometimes. We'll keep you updated on the yard sale or the garage sale. See how it goes if you guys are interested in that. Just let us know in the comments if you guys want to know about anything, know about us, any questions. We love you guys.
Yay.
All right, and you guys can follow us on Instagram and stuff if you want to see.
I like the way you work it, no diggity, gotta back it up. I like the way you work it, no diggity, back it up.
That's right. So a little
I don't know
update.
why I'm saying that. I like the way you work it.
We've been just keeping our garage door closed and posting everything on Facebook Marketplace, and people just come and ring the doorbell, and then we're able to clean our house at the same time.
Yeah.
I don't know if that excites you guys, but it's nice. We don't have to sit out there.
Right, going through my jewelry to see what I want to keep and what I need to get rid of. I bought this in Jerusalem.
So Drea, what's
Wow, I have
the
a
Lord
lot
been
of
showing you
stuff.
through this whole moving process?
The Lord has been showing me the importance of being obedient and trusting Him no matter what, even when it doesn't make sense in the natural, but just to be obedient. And that this journey, this experience of leaving Reading and moving is more about the journey than it is about the destination. It's more about what the Lord's doing in us and what He wants to show us along the way than it is about us actually just focusing on getting somewhere.
That's right. That's right. I was kind of pushing her a little bit at first, like excited to go.
Yeah, Allan was ready to move long before I was.
But we just didn't know where. So that's our update for today.
Woohoo!
Hope this is interesting.
We've learned a valuable lesson when moving.
It's terrible.
Start planning at least a month before. Like, start selling stuff. If you are only packing your vehicles and you're not getting a moving van, fill up those vehicles 2 weeks before you're going to leave.
Drea has so much stuff.
We made a mistake. It's not on me. I have a lot of stuff, though. It's the majority is mine.
Okay, so hey guys, we emptied out pretty much everything. I showed you this guys yesterday. I think it was yesterday. But we're moving everything out. The power's out now. And it's just a lot to do. Unless I just got off of work. It's exhausting. Here's our garage. So we are packing everything into her car. We still have a couple car loads to go through. We're staying at a friend's house, and she is wonderful. Christy, we love you. You're amazing. This has been so terrible. Like, we have way too much stuff.
Well, I wouldn't say it's been terrible, but I definitely wouldn't do this again.
It's been terrible.
We've
Like, I don't never want to get another thing again.
We've had a lot of help, but the reality is if you have a home with stuff that
I
you
want to be a minimalist.
then you need to be able to hire a moving company. You can't do this by yourself. So,
But when
well,
you're
if we're going to be
broke-
minimalist, then we can't have instruments. Minimalists don't have instruments.
That's not true.
They probably just have an acoustic guitar.
That's basically what I have. But I'm just glad it's done.
Yeah, I'm glad we're done. The Lord blessed us. People came and helped. People bought stuff. We sold a lot. But we learned a lesson. When you're moving, you have to plan ahead.
Which we've been planning for about a month, but we should have done things a little
Ooh,
better.
gross. Baby, don't tell me how I'm out. Ugh. Gross.
People love that.
No, that's nasty.
All right, so maybe we'll show you guys when we get to Christy's house, like how much we actually have.
I don't know. I don't want them to judge us.
Okay.
Just kidding.
All right.